Ready to unlock powerful insights hidden within your everyday spreadsheets. First, open Qlik Sense and click Create New App. Give your app a descriptive name, something like Sales Analysis from Spreadsheet, and then click Create. Now, inside your new app, you'll see a prompt to add data. Click on that button to begin importing your spreadsheet. You'll be presented with several data source options. If you're using an Excel file, select Excel file. For Google Sheets, select Google Sheets and authorize Qlik Sense to access your Google account. For Excel, browse your computer to locate and select the spreadsheet you want to analyze. Click Open to upload it. If you're using Google Sheets, follow the prompts to grant Qlik Sense the necessary permissions to access your spreadsheets. Qlik Sense will then display a preview of your data. Here, you can choose which sheets to import and make any necessary data transformations, like renaming fields or changing data types, before loading. Once your data is loaded, you can start creating visualizations. Simply drag and drop fields onto the canvas to build charts and graphs that reveal hidden patterns and trends in your spreadsheet data. Experiment with different visualization types to explore your data from various angles and gain a deeper understanding of your spreadsheet-based information. That's it. You've successfully connected your spreadsheet to Qlik Sense and created interactive visualizations to analyze and explore your data. Start exploring.